how I went from the stage performer, confident and full of life, to a shy, worrying mom at all times, but how I'm bringing it back and getting back to the old me. So basically, I always loved being centre stage. I was on stage from a young age. I used to come out onto stage like Claudia Winkleman comes out onto Strictly Come Dancing, full fringe flick, full of confidence, and just nothing bothered me. And then becoming a mom, you start worrying about the littlest of things. You know, you overthink a WhatsApp message in the parent chat and almost dare to speak to anybody at the school gates. And it just wasn't me. So I'm taking a few steps to get that old confident me back. And one of those is doing this video challenge, putting myself out there on a video on the internet. And it's quite scary at times, and that's fine. And I'm slowly finding my feet, and I'm just loving it more and more. The three things that I kind of do are, I now ask myself, what would the old me do? And normally she'd come out with something of, relax, it's really not that deep. I do one tiny brave thing a day, whether that's speak up, say no, and then I celebrate all the little wins. You know, even if it is making a conversation at the school gates. It's all confidence building. So just make that damn video and prove to yourself you can do it.